The much-awaited Karnataka Cabinet expansion remains on hold after Chief Minister DK Shivakumar met Congress leaders Rahul Gandhi, Mallikarjun Kharge and former Chief Minister Siddaramaiah in New Delhi on July 30th. The Congress has not officially announced any decision after the meeting. The expansion is significant as 20 ministerial posts remain vacant out of the maximum strength of 34, nearly 2 months after Shivakumar took charge as Chief Minister. While earlier reports suggested that the swearing-in could take place by July 30th, the exercise has now been delayed. According to reports, the cabinet expansion may happen by August 3rd, subject to approval from the Congress High Command. There is also speculation that the final list of ministers, including the possibility of appointing a second or even third Deputy Chief Minister, could be announced on August 2nd. However, there has been no official confirmation. Congress leaders have maintained that the cabinet will be expanded before the Karnataka legislature session begins on August 13th, especially since the post of Speaker is still vacant. Responding to the BJP's criticism over the delay, Shivakumar said such situations were not unprecedented. He pointed out that former Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa had also run the government without a full cabinet, including during the flood situation.
Because they are very busy with this assembly parliament issues. We have already discussed and finalized everything. One formal thing has to be done. We do it. And I have called a all-party meeting on Sunday on this Kaveri issue, and the Honorable Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu is coming. We wholeheartedly want to discuss, work out the best interest of both the states. So I have accepted this one letter, and I also conveyed that let us work together.
So BJP State President Vijayendra is saying that Rahul Gandhi is insulting people of Karnataka by not expanding the cabinet.
How many days they have kept their cabinet in different states? What happened in Delhi in different states? They should also know about in their state. How many days in all these states whenever they were in power, including Maharashtra and different parts of the country. I think Vijayendra is less experienced on that issue. In so many states, only one, without a ministry, only one chief minister was there for a very long time.
ಇವತ್ತ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಇವತ್ತು ಫೈನಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಆಗತ್ತಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹೈಕಮಾಂಡು ಏನು ನಿರ್ಧಾರ ತಗೋತಕ್ಕ ನಾವು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಭದ್ರಾಗಿ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ನಾನು ಆಗ್ತೀನಿ ಅನ್ನೋ ವಿಶ್ವಾಸದಿಂದ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಸರ್, ಡೇಟ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ?
ಸರ್, ಡೇಟು ಮಾಧ್ಯಮದೊಳಗೆ ಕೇಳಿದಂಗೆ ನಾನು ಇನ್ನೂ ಅದ್ರ ಡೇಟ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಸೋಮವಾರ ಅಂತ ನನಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಫೀಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೋಮವಾರ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ಹಿರಿಯರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇನ್ನು ಯಾವುದು ಏನಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಒಂದು ಥಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಸೋಮವಾರ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದರೊಳಗೆ ನಾನು ಹಾಕಿನಿ ಅಂತ ವಿಶ್ವಾಸದಿಂದ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಬಟ್ ಈ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಸೂಚನೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆಯಾ? ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣದಾಗಿ
ಏನಿದಂತ ಗೀಚನೆ ಸಿಗಂತದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದನ್ನ ನನಗನ್ಸಿದ ಮಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ರವಿವಾರನೇ ಬಂದು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ರವಿವಾರನ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೋ, ಹೈಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೋ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ವಿಶ್ವಾಸ ಮತ್ತು ದೃಢವಾದ ನಂಬಿಕೆ ಇದೆ.
ವಿಸ್ತರಣೆ ಆಗಬಹುದು ಸೋಮವಾರದ ಹೊತ್ತಿಗೆ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಇವತ್ತು ಪಕ್ಷದ ವರಿಷ್ಠರು ಅವರು ಕುಂತು ಸಮಾಲೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಯಾರ್ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು, ಪ್ರಾತಿನಿಧ್ಯ ಕೊಡಬೇಕನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ವರಿಷ್ಠ ಮಂಡಳಿ ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಆದೇಶ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳು ಸೋಮವಾರ ರಾಜ್ಯಪಾಲರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಶಪಥ ನೀಡಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ಶಪಥ ಕೊಡಿಸ್ತಾರೆ.
ತಮಗೇನಾದ್ರು ಸೂಚನೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಸರ್?
ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
ಡೇಟ್ ಸೋಮವಾರ ಅಂತ ಇದಾಯ್ತು ಸರ್?
ಸೋಮವಾರ ಅಂತ ತಿಳಿದು ಬಂದಿದೆ.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್.